Best backpacks comparison. JanSport backpacks have been a staple in the world of durable, functional, and stylish bags for over 50 years. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an outdoor enthusiast. List No. Crosstown Backpack, 17 by 12.5 by 6. Simple bag. The Crosstown Backpack is JanSport's budget-friendly option, designed with simplicity and durability in mind. Made from 100% recycled 600 denier polyester, this backpack is lightweight yet sturdy. With one main compartment, a front utility pocket, and a side water bottle pocket, it offers just enough space for daily essentials, making it ideal for students or casual users. The padded back panel and straight-cut shoulder straps provide decent comfort for everyday wear, and its stylish design comes in 23 color options. While the Crosstown Backpack excels in affordability and simplicity, it is best suited for light usage. Its 26-liter capacity is sufficient for books, small electronics, and basic items, but it lacks advanced organizational features like a laptop sleeve. Users report that the recycled fabric holds up well over time, though it may not be as durable as premium models. The absence of a padded laptop compartment limits its versatility for professionals who carry tech devices. List number. Cool Backpack. The Cool Backpack steps up in functionality with a 15-inch padded laptop sleeve, 2 spacious compartments, and a leather bottom for added durability. Designed for students and professionals alike, this backpack offers a 34-liter capacity, making it suitable for carrying textbooks, laptops, and other essentials. The ergonomic S-curve shoulder straps and padded back panel enhance comfort, even during extended use. The inclusion of a water bottle pocket and front utility pocket with an organizer adds to its practicality. This model shines in its balance of style, storage, and durability. The leather bottom not only adds aesthetic appeal, but also reinforces the bag against wear and tear. The larger capacity ensures it can handle heavier loads, making it ideal for college students or commuters. However, at 16 ounces, it is slightly heavier than other models, and some users note that the leather bottom can scuff over time. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Cool Backpack is a reliable choice for those needing ample storage and protection for their laptop. List number 3, Super Break Plus Backpack with padded 15-inch laptop sleeve. The Super Break Plus backpack is a versatile, mid-range option that combines spacious storage with laptop protection. With a 26-liter capacity, it features a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve, a front utility pocket with an organizer, and an integrated bottle pocket. This model is designed for both work and travel, offering a sleek and minimalist look. The adjustable padded shoulder straps and fully catted back panel ensure comfort during long days of use. The Super Break Plus is ideal for users seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. While it doesn't offer the largest capacity, its thoughtful design makes it suitable for carrying work essentials or travel gear. However, users looking for more advanced organizational features may find this model somewhat basic. Additionally, its lightweight construction, 300 grams, is a plus for portability, but may not feel as robust as higher-end options. List 4. Super Break Backpack. Durable. The Super Break Backpack is a classic JanSport model designed for simplicity and reliability. With a 26-liter capacity, it features one main compartment, a front utility pocket with an organizer, and a side water bottle pocket. Constructed with durable materials and available in various colors, this backpack is a versatile choice for casual users. The straight-cut padded shoulder straps and padded back panel ensure comfort, while the web haul handle adds convenience. This backpack is perfect for users who value lightweight designs and straightforward functionality. Its durable construction makes it suitable for daily use, though it lacks features like a laptop sleeve or advanced organizational compartments. The Super Break Backpack is a great choice for students or individuals who need a reliable, no-frills bag for carrying essentials. Its discontinued status might limit availability, but it remains a popular option for its timeless design. List 5. Right Pack Backpack, Durable Day Pack with Padded. The Right Pack Backpack is JanSport's premium offering, combining luxury materials with high functionality. Crafted from Portera fabric with a suede leather bottom, this model exudes durability and style. It features a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve, a spacious main compartment, and a front pocket organizer with splash-resistant zippers. With a 22-liter capacity, it is slightly smaller than other models, but offers exceptional build quality and comfort. This backpack is ideal for professionals or users seeking a high-end option. The Portera fabric and suede accents provide a premium feel, while the padded shoulder straps ensure comfort during extended use. The smaller capacity may not suit users requiring extra space for bulky items, but the laptop sleeve and water bottle pocket make it highly functional for everyday use. At $67.95, it is the most expensive option, but its durability and style justify the investment.